Hey, let me show you the best camera tips and tricks for your POCO C65. So first of all, let's start from my favorite option. It will appear just right here when you click on this arrow, and it's called the voice shutter. So now when you say this keyword, that's the cheese, the photo will be taken. As you can see, the screen flash, and it means the photo was taken. So let's try it one more time. Cheese. There we go. So it's useful when you put your phone, for example, on the tripod and you want to take the group photo of your friends, family, or yourself, and you don't have to even touch the shutter. You can say cheese, cheese, and the photo will be taken. Next, let's deactivate this option, and now we can also take the photos with the timer, so between 3, 5, or 10 seconds. Now when you click on the shutter, the photo will be taken. We've got also a very similar option. When we go to the time burst and click on the small arrow, we can actually set interval. So for example, for 5 or maybe 2 seconds, and we can take, like, for example, 100 photos. And now when you click on it, your phone is going to take photos until it reaches 100 photos. There we go. Next, let's deactivate it and let's move forward. So from here, we can actually go into the settings, where I can recommend you to turn on the tab to take the photo. So it will allow you to catch the focus and then take the photo. Okay, it doesn't work for some reason. Let's go back. Okay, I just probably turn on the front camera. Okay, right now it works. So as you can see, we can just click and the photo will be taken. So normally when you want to take the photo, you have to click on the screen to catch the focus, and after then take the photo. But here you click once and there's focus setup, the brightness setup, and phone is going to take the photo. Next, in the settings, when we scroll down, we can also find the option to adjust the function of the volume buttons. So currently it is set up for the 2 seconds delay. When you click on the volume up or down button, that's how it looks. But when you open the settings and try to adjust it, you can actually zoom in or take the normal photo. So let's try the zoom feature. When you click on and hold on the volume up, as you can see, we can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times and zoom out with the volume down button. Next, when you are on the photo mode, you can click on this icon in the right bottom corner and you can add some filters. As you can see, it is changing the color and the temperature. Let's move forward, and when you go to the right side, we can find the 50 megapixel mode. And this mode allows us to get the best possible quality. So when you catch focus and hold your phone steady, you have to remember to hold your phone steady because this phone doesn't have the optic image stabilization. You can actually find more details by taking photo with this mode. So as you can see, we enable the HD preview, and now we can zoom in really close. There's also second option. When you click and hold the volume button, let me just switch into the normal shutter. There we go. So when you click and hold this button, you can also catch the focus. Take a look. So we click hold and the phone is catching focus. And it works also on the other modes. Now, as you can see, it only works for the 50 megapixel mode, but on the photo mode, when you click and hold it, you will record video for like 15 seconds. And it works the same when you click and hold the shutter button. When you go to the video mode, there's like not a lot of options to change. Only we can enable the grid lines, or for example change the resolution from HD to full HD. So there's like no big deal right here, but there's also the time-lapse video. From here you can actually change the speed, the duration, and from here you've got the parameters of this time-lapse, like white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation. And now when you click on it, you will actually find that it's recording this video. So now when you close it and try to take a look on it, That's how it looks. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.